Dumbass just got up. It's like 8 in the morning. We're gonna take the bikes out for a ride. We're gonna go check out Tortilla Flats. Look at this helmet. I feel like such a tool. The house that we're beside right now is for sale for $12 million. Look at this. And this is what you would be overlooking. All of that.
Everybody loves the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine. Come on, sunshine. In the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine.
How crazy is this? Look at the mountain. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Get from behind.
Look at that.
Yeah, they should be.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I pet that dog?
Ladies and gentlemen.
John Wayne. There's a whole restaurant covered in these dollar bills. Signed dollar bills. That the end of the month. I don't know if that's gonna be the exact spot, but we are leaving Tequila Flats? No, it's not. Tortilla Flats.
I like Tequila Flats better.
I know, I keep saying that.
1.5 acres of land. It's desert land. With a $1,000 water bill we're talking about. We got palm trees, cypress trees, we got rose bushes. We let all the grass die, it was way too much. Could not afford. So welcome to the house. We walk in, we got 20-foot vaulted ceilings. It's open concept, so everyone gets to communicate with each other in the rooms. Just gonna give you a view to outside so you can see everything that goes in and out of our driveways. Family room, we play FIFA, hockey, everything. Got our nice custom cabinets here, big island. Throw a lot of barbecues and parties here. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1 office. Got my room. Sig Custom Works, fully metal, hollows. Always stroud. As people piss us off, we gotta let them know. Can't be playing games.
This course is kind of cool. Like, look at the cactuses and stuff. Yo, I'm gonna fucking go. Those were practice. Arrow went down.
No, it went down.
Fuck. Oh, you fucking. I'll Photoshop that in the whole.
New game.
Oh.
Right.
Saker Heat Seek Missile. Terrorist of the month. Trump 2020. 85 cents.
Okay, thank you.
Double barrel AR. They're sick. What's your favorite gun out of everything here?
Yeah, that's a loaded question. Gary, 43X is always my go-to. I have the first generation of the 5.7, the FM 5.7. It shoots like a miniature rifle round. It's basically a 22 caliber. It's incredibly smooth, like very little recoil and very accurate. Look up the ammunition for it.
Yeah.
It looks like a miniature rifle.
I buy their case, 1,000 bullets, a 9mm for $270.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong. It's like 30 cents a round.
30 cents a round.
30 cents a round, but everywhere else is like 45 cents a round. FJV.
Fuck to
Go.
Their serial numbers are actually, they begin with LGB, Let's Go Brandon.
Let's go, Brandon. So if you want to purchase, you go to the cash, you tell them what you want. They take your license, they register it all. Then you come in here and you fill out all of your info. Once it's processed, you go back there, you pay, and you pick it up.
FJB AR pistol. They're AR-14s, chambered in 5.56. A Glock 27, chambered in 40 Smith & Wesson.
And what's your name, sir?
Jason.
Whoa, Jason, nice cock.
$1,228, 21 cents. And what'd they just get for $475.40?
About 150 rounds plus 20 hollows, 4 things of tannerite and a mag. Oh, and an optic set.
Sports. We made it to the shooting spot. These are all rounds. You can hear people out here shooting. So this is some of the stuff that we have set up to shoot.
This is the best one you can get, bro. The Sig Sauer. This is the police gun, except modified, custom 17.
9mm Scorpion, AR-14 5.56, Glock 19X, Glock 27, Glock 26, SIG P320 Tactical, FN 519 Tactical.
Vice. Vice, we're here deep in the jungles, deep in the desert. Guys, some crazy things.
You want to meet somebody with a lot of money? This guy, look at him.
I don't like all this
Exploding targets.
high school kind of shit, but like when you get older, you wanna just
You
find
open
somebody to
this,
think
you
about
pour
one
this in it, you mix it, you put it
Headshot.
100 yards away, and you shoot it. And it explodes like a motherfucker.
We got our happy pumpkin and our tannerite underneath.
I hit it. Try again. Where did it go? It's right next to the leg. It's right there. Still.
On the left?
Yeah,
I think
under
you
the
hit
leg.
right under it.
A few moments later.
Wow.
Who's that, Rambo?
I still can't see a fucking thing. I wear every single gun, even when I'm in the house.
I wear every single
Gun.
even when I'm in the house.
Fuck, bro, these guys slept till 9, 10 a.m. We're supposed to be in Sedona already. I'm pissed off. Sedona.
2 hours later.
We got a Can-Am Maverick XRS Turbo, and we are in Sedona, Arizona. I'll give you a tour. Sedona is insane, and if you ever make your way down to AZ, you've got to check this place out. Not just the landscape, apparently there's a ton of energy vortexes here. There's art galleries. I'll leave a whole bunch of info about it in the description, but this place, if you're in Arizona, is a must-see.
This is sick.
You okay there? Don't fall in the thing. Hurt yourself, dog. Hey, fucking chug your beer, man.
We're supposed to chug.
Last thing I remember, bring your alibis.
She doesn't like Drake. No Drake.
What's up, bro? What do you have to eat? What's there to eat there? Yeah, hungry. He's hungry.
Ask him food. I'm a beggar, bro.
Oh, yeah. I thought he was going to a restaurant, like doing a sign. You know, they flip the sign because they keep doing gestures. I don't fucking know. Okay. Calm. My life. All of our life.
All the lights in it, baby.
Oh, we're gonna do some rock climbing.
Oh shit, boys!
us.
Look at the way down. Think of the way down.
You'll roll down. What are you worried about?
Brakes, go. Fuck it.
got royalty inside my DNA. Coke and quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, is born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this. Was out you a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate. They're off your fucking head. This that puts a kiss to bed. This that I got realness. I just feel she cut this in my DNA.
Yo, Jordan's gonna be famous. I feel it.
So that is it for the Arizona video. I got a bunch more stuff coming up, like Amsterdam, Singapore, where I am right now. If you're thinking about going down to AZ, don't second guess it, man. Check it out. I had a blast. I don't know if you guys will get your hands on the guns and stuff. I'm lucky that I have friends down there that let me, you know, use their things, but I'm sure you can go to a range in the desert, or you can find somewhere that will let you guys do that. Rent the motorcycles. It was cheap. It was worth it. Go to Tortilla Flats. If you can, go to Sedona, man. Sedona was a blast. It was amazing. This is it. And you guys know the rules, man. You're watching Laughing Time, and I'll catch you on the next one.